Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on show recently active status on your Tinder app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Tinder app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on this mark, then it's going to take you to next window, and you just go up, you click here on this mark settings, and it's going to take you to next window here or settings window. Then you just go down here, so you keep going here and you come here to manage, or sorry, you come here to manage active status. You click here on settings, then you come to settings window here, and you come here to show recently active status. You will click here on this mark, and like you see, this color show for us, that's mean show recently active status, it's turned on now. So that's all you have to do, just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.